So you bought a new car and it comes with Alcantara on the interior, but do you actually know how to clean and protect this type of material? Let me show you how with Pinnacle Black Label. A lot of new cars come with Alcantara, or what's called micro suede, on the interior. Now this includes the steering wheel, the seats, the door panels, the headliners, even things like the visors. And it's a form of microfiber that's gentle and soft, and it looks luxurious. And you need to use special cleaners and protectants to both clean and protect it to keep that original look and feel. Pinnacle Black Label Suede Soft Alcantara Cleaner gently cleans soiled and dirty micro suede and Alcantara surfaces without changing the look or feel. It encapsulates bacteria-causing odor, leaving a fresh scent behind. And is safe on all surfaces, including leather, vinyl, so you can't hurt anything. Pinnacle Black Label Suede Soft Alcantara Protectant creates a hydrophobic surface on micro suede and Alcantara fabrics. This prevents damages from stains and spills, and also from fading and discoloration from normal wear and tear. And like the cleaner, it won't alter or change the look or feel. And both products are easy to use. Let me show you how. To clean any Alcantara surface, the way to do it is to spray the cleaner directly onto the surface itself, and then brush that surface in 4 different directions to make sure you've thoroughly cleaned all sides of every fiber. For heavy soil surfaces, repeat this step as necessary. Now that the surface is clean, the next thing you want to do is protect the surface. To do this, use a soft brush and brush all the fibers of the surface in one direction. Then lightly mist the protectant on, equally covering the entire surface. Allow this to fully dry. After the surface has dried, the next thing you want to do is take your brush and brush all the fibers in the opposite direction, and then again lightly mist the protectant onto the surface and allow this to dry. After the second application, allow the micro suede or Alcantara to completely dry for 12 to 24 hours undisturbed. After that, you're ready to drive your car. With Pinnacle Black Label Micro Suede Alcantara Cleaner and Protectant, you can keep your car's Alcantara interior looking factory new all the time. To get your products, go to autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.